It works like user clicks an ad and he goes to volume link, the first link. When he clicks an ad and goes to volume link, volume sets cookies on a client browser and redirects user to the product. And on a product page it sets also a get request parameters, so product can save it and can give it back to volume, and volume knows about this user because you sent a user ID. Volume knows about this user, and next volume will send a conversion event to the traffic source, like Taboola in our case. So if you talk about if this integration is only for volume, so it's not only for volume, it's for conversion postbacks to traffic sources, different traffic sources. Like if we don't use volume, so we need to track all the conversions and all the clicks data from product, which is there is some kind of events in the product that Taboola didn't understand, and there is no such kind of events, and sometimes we need on a volume side such events to understand on our side what we can do better, or where there's a weak chains. And if we talk about the scaling, so for example, there's a lot, I think you understand, so that's a lot of different traffic sources, different products, and different media buyers. And with volume tracker we can proceed this data in one place and sends all the postbacks to different traffic sources from the volume. But not for the product, because for example, the product will change tomorrow a traffic source from Taboola to Outbrain, and we need to reintegrate. If we don't use volume, we need to reintegrate with the product again with postbacks and so on and so on, so that a product will send back to traffic source their events. But in case of volume tracker, we don't need to reintegrate nothing with the product. In a volume we just change endpoint and some parameters, so we can send it back to this traffic source, but not this. It's really useful when you have a lot of I think you understand what I mean when you need to scale up, and you have a lot of different products, different ad sources, and so on and so on. So with volume, it makes life easier.